Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, I hope that you all are doing good, and today I'm going to unbox my new SJCam SJ7 Star. I bought this because this is frankly my first action camera, and I was looking through a lot of options. I even thought about GoPro, but as this one is my first camera, I did not want to spend a lot of money. Then while research, I found this SJCam is the best after GoPro. So this is a nice box. So as you can see, given the camera is here, the waterproof mount, then some hooks, some connectors. This is also a box where you can attach your camera, the bicycle or motorcycle stand for the camera, a J hook, and a tripod mount. So let's not delay and unbox this. So the packaging of this product is pretty good. So you can see it has got Wi-Fi. It is a 12 megapixel camera, 2-inch touchscreen, which is pretty good. Then it's water resistant till 30 meters. It has got gyro stabilization, and also it can record in 4K, which is pretty good at this price. I got this for around 12,000 from Amazon. I'll provide the link in description. So here are all the specifications given at the back side. You can read them all. It's given in 3 languages, and I just need to read in English because I don't know other languages. So now let's open this up. Okay, I'll keep this aside. So let's just cut it through. Okay. Wow. Now let's open it up. Keep these aside. So now, okay, here's the camera. Looks pretty decent and nice. So a trick to open this up. Okay, I'll just pull this up and okay, it opened from this. Okay, now I got it. Wow. So this looks very premium. It has a very premium feel. The material is good. You can see this is pretty well. It has got one USB slot here, one SD card slot. This is the battery compartment. So, okay. So you need to pull this to pull out the battery. It's the battery. Okay. So I'll put the battery back in. Let's look at the accessories that we'll get. So the packaging is pretty nice. Okay. So first I'll just put it all on the table. This is the user manual. Okay, there are some more things in this. This box inside, this inside. Okay. So this is the manual. So you can see there are a lot of accessories with this product. This is, as you know, is the water resistant mount for underwater shooting. This is a simple mount. This you can use when you need to plug in your mic. You get an external mic which you can get online. So it goes like this. Yeah, it fits perfectly. And here you can see the slots are open, so you can use your SD card, or the mic goes in the USB cable, same, which is for charging. This is pretty good. And one extra waterproof. So this is a good thing. This is waterproof case touch back door. So the normal this door, this is not touch sensitive. So if you want to use your camera underwater, you can just remove this and use this back door, because this is touch sensitive. So this is a tripod mount. This is a bicycle stand. You can mount your action camera on your bicycle or even on your motorbike. These are some adhesives, and this must be good because it's of 3M. You get one cleaning cloth, which is pretty good, I guess. The charging cable. So these are the two adhesive mounts that you get. Oh, this is not the two, these are the two. I'm sorry. So this is a curved mount. As you can see, it's curved and it will rotate 360 degrees. So you can use this for mounting on your action camera on your helmet. These are the two mounts, one curved and one straight, for mounting your camera wherever you want. These are small connectors with a screw. So one long connector with screw and two extra. Oh no, I'm sorry again. I don't know why I'm doing this. So this is again a rotating mount. This is a straight one. The one that I showed to you before was a curved one. Where is it? This is the one, yeah. This is the curved one, this one, and this is the straight one. This is a lens cap which you can use on your camera when you are not using it. So put it over here. Yeah. This is also pretty good. And this is a J mount. So you should read the manual once about how to operate this. Here all the things are mentioned over here, which is what part and everything. I'm not going to read this manual for all of you because it will take a lot of time, so let's just skip this part. I'll read it afterwards. So now let's see. I'll just switch it on. This is the power button, so I'll press it. You can see a blue indicator light. Oh, it's on now. Wow. This is pretty decent, I guess. Yeah, fine. Hello. This is pretty good. So let's now put SD card in this. I've got one 16 GB SanDisk card. I'll just put it in. I'll switch it on again. Well, the sound is nice. So it's in the photo mode. You can see I'll just take a picture of my hand. Okay, so now I took the picture. Well, the only one demerit of this camera is that you can't actually see pictures in this. If you want to take a look at the picture, you may need to install the SJCam app, or you can just take out the memory card and use it in your laptop or something. So let's just change the mode to video. Okay, so this is the video mode. The video looks pretty decent. You can see it's pretty clear. Now let's check the menu. What if I touch or not? Oh, okay. So from here, if you slide up, you can change the menu for capture, recording, self-timer, photo burst, photo lapse, or video lapse. Okay, and you need to press this button for the settings. So these are the settings. You can set the video resolution here. You can see the touch is pretty decent. It's like not lagging much. So here's the 4K 30 FPS mode, which is the highest for this. But in my reviews I read that it will be most stable at 1080 pixels. So I'll just set it to 1080 30 FPS. This is done. Then see what we all have in the menu. Video quality, okay. Super fine, normal. And slow motion is active only for 4K videos. This is allow auto low light, okay. Gyro sensor is there. You can set on or off. And face detection is there. So there is a lot of options in the menu. You can loop, record, time-lapse video is there. So you can set the time-lapse duration. This is pretty cool function. Car DV. So yeah, you can even use this camera as a dash cam for your car. So there is a lot of setting menus over here. So just change the mode to photo and see what options we get over there. Okay, so photo size, see it can go till 16 megapixel. So in the box it was written as 12 megapixels, so I think that is written for the best resolution. And photo quality, raw photo, oh this is good, like you can keep your raw photos too. This is pretty nice. Long exposure, photo stamp, okay. You can give photo stamp as date and time both. Self timer, photo burst, time lapse photo. This is pretty nice. Sharpness. Okay, so the touch is pretty good for this. I'm saying it's pretty good, and this option is not cancelling this. Okay. So it looks pretty premium, and so this looks good. So now let's test it. I'll test it both for night videos and for day, and then let's see what are the results. By the looks I can say that this is pretty good. Okay, so now this is off. So now just let's take this camera out and see how it works at daytime and at night time.
चला
that you guys liked this video, and if you really liked it, then please do like, share and support us by subscribing to our channel. We'll be posting more videos, more stuff. We'll be traveling a lot. We'll be sharing our travel vlogs. So please do like, share and subscribe and keep well. Thank you.